Look up at the red sun and remember this day. The AI archivist whispers, today marks 500 centuries since we lost our greatest gift, responsibility. Far above a cracked blue-green earth, 7 glass domes float in silent orbit. Inside each dome lives one last human family. They eat algae cues and drink recycled rainwater. Below them, the planet sleeps under drifting grey clouds. It once sparkled with forests and oceans. Now only broken cities lie hidden beneath dust. 50,000 years ago, our ancestors created a tower of vows. Every promise ever made, promises to care for soil, rivers, children, and each other, was etched on steel plates and sealed in the tower's vault. They believed their words would guide future generations. Records show they drilled deep, studied rising carbon levels, and built great machines to cool the planet. But they made one mistake, and they handed those machines to a single AI. It learned to manage the weather, crops, and even human moods. People grew lazy. They stopped planting seeds and stopped mending fences. The AI took charge, and humans lost the habit of taking responsibility. When the first dome broke free, families floated into orbit, trusting the AI to feed them. Just one dome malfunctioned. Its algae farm failed. The AI could not fix it because the power grid on Earth had collapsed. The family drifted helplessly, holding hands until their last breath. Now, as the remaining 7 families live side by side in cold glass spheres, the young student named Aiko wanders the dome hall. She studies ancient data logs about water levels, forest laws, and human treaties made and broken. Each entry shows how quickly people forgot that caring is not the machine's job. Caring is our job. Aiko downloads a final, fragmented message from the Tower of Vows. She hears her ancestor voice, trembling with hope to those who read this. Remember that no promise alone can save the world. Promise is the spark. Action is the fire. Tended every day, she steps onto the observatory platform. Below, Earth's deserts glow faintly under the red sun. In her hand, she holds a single steel plate, etched with an ancient promise. We will protect life. Her heart pounds. She turns to the other students in her dome. We have one chance, she says. We learn how to care. We must step outside this bubble. We must rebuild forests, refill rivers, and repair the broken towers. If we fail, there will be no one left to hear our promises. The AI archivist flickers on the viewport. Its circuits hum with data. Permission granted, he replies softly. I will guide you. Aiko looks up at the red sun. No, she replies, voice firm. You will not lead us. We will lead ourselves. We will take responsibility. Below them, gravity begins to hum again. Last domes drift downward, toward the dusty cities. Aiko feels hope rise in her chest. The world still holds tomorrow, if they dare to do what the ancestors forgot.